Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be doing the March Bellabox unboxing, so let's get into it. It is a heavy one this month. The products. So the first big one is a big packet of WaterWipes. So this is full size. It's a pack of 25 and it retails for $9 at Chemist Warehouse and Amcal pharmacies. WaterWipes best-selling facial wipes containing 3 ingredients: 99.9% purified water, fruit extract, and sea minerals. It is made with no artificial fragrances, parabens, or preservatives to be gentle for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Use it as a refresher throughout the day or at the end of the night to remove a full face of makeup. See, I don't actually mind this. We get the full size because I know we've received WaterWipes in the boxes before, but we've received like the 2 wipe sample. So the fact that they were able to get us the full size as well, you know, it kind of proves that they were capable of it to begin with, rather than making us have the 2 like wipe sample as a product in the box. So yeah, we definitely deserved this one. Next, we have another skin regenerator from 40 Fathoms. It is the Skin Regenerator Eye Cream. This one is also full size. It's 15 mils. It retails for $39.99 at 40fathoms.com.au, Chemist Warehouse online. So yeah, an eye cream. Keep the skin around your eyes soft, supple, and moisturized. The Skin Regenerator Eye Cream is formulated to improve elasticity and firmness, reduce fine lines, minimize dark circles, and fend off free radicals. Its organic formula is gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. That is another exciting full-size product. Next, we have a Blistex Lip Balm. This one is full size. It is retails for $5.99 at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. Blistex's new range of lip infusions are formulated with advanced ingredients to provide luxurious care for your lips. Lip infusions hydration with hyaluronic spheres to lock in moisture for advanced hydration. Lip Infusions Nourish is infused with beeswax, a blend of botanical oils, and vitamin E to soften without any oily feel. Lip Infusions Soothing with cucumber and calendula soothes chapped lips and is dermatologically tested. It is gentle on lips but tough on dryness. You will receive either hydration, nourish, or soothing, and I got hydration. Thank goodness, it's exactly what I need. Now, this is something I absolutely love. I sell these at my work. It is a Go Natural collagen cookie. I really like these. These are really good, trust me. Like, if you get this in the box, yum yum. So you could either get the snap berry and yogurt or the white choc cookie, which is what I got. You can get them at Coles and Woolies. I've never had the snap, so that would have been good to try. But I did get the cookie, which I know I like, which is good as well. But it is full size. Go Natural's Collagen Snacks with Benefits contain 2.5 grams of collagen for envy-worthy skin, hair, and nails on the glow, as well as other vitamin E and other essential fatty oils that love and nourish your skin. The Snap Bar comes in sweet wild berry with crumbled Aussie almonds, roasted peanuts, and drizzled in creamy yogurt. Meanwhile, its deliciously sweet white chocolate cookie includes macadamias baked to cookie perfection. What's better, they have no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, and only 5.4 grams of sugar or less. So yeah, I actually really like this, so can't wait to dig into another one. And we also have a makeup product. We have a ModelCO Instant Brows Brow Pencil. We did get to choose our shade for this one. It is full size. So full size for every single product in the box. That's actually really good this month. This one is $22 and it is available at ModelCO.com. Transform barely there brows into full natural looking arches with this dual-ended wax pencil that adds buildable shape, color, and density in one streamlined tool. You will either receive light, medium, or medium dark. and I got medium dark. So that's the pencil. So we've got the tip there. It's kind of like a long one rather than like just a tip. And then we've got the spoolie end. So yeah, it's really cool. Can't wait to give that a go. And then we also have a Hellofresh card, because what would a Bellabox be without a Hellofresh card? And then they've also chucked in 30% off 40 Fathoms at their website. So looking at the products we got this month, I have to say I actually really love this box. It's a big thumbs up from me this month. The WaterWipes, I'm so glad we finally got full size rather than a sample, and they are a great wipe, so great to have that one on hand. The eye cream is also full size, so that's a really good product to receive. The brow pencil I'm keen to give a go, and I'm glad we got to choose our shade. The Blistex, I do have a lot of lip balms, but I haven't really tried this one before, and the fact that I got the hydrating one is also very good. And I already love the cookies, so yeah, absolutely great box this month. A very much on point on this one Bellabox. The cookie is a great touch, you know, something that we haven't really gotten in the boxes before. But yeah, please keep up the good work. I just really miss the bonuses, you know. Where's my bonus sachet sample? So yeah, let me know in the comments, guys. What did you get in your box? What did you think of the products that you got? What did you think about what I got? Did we get anything the same, or did you guys get something that I didn't? Yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.